Hello kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Green color, orange color, yellow color, purple color, sky blue color, violet color, black color, brown color, and pink color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letter A, B, C, D, letter A to Z. Let's trace A. A for ant. B. B for banana. C. C for car. D. D for duck. Purple color. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. Green color. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. Yellow color. L. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. Pink color. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Brown color. R. R for rainbow. S. S for star. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. Light green color. V. V for van. W. W for well. Blue color. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fox. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for wheel. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.